Aloha. This is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork in Snake Road Sawmill. Today we are delivering some furniture to a new project. It is the Crouching Lion restaurant. It's named after a rock formation here in Hawaii that you can see right up there. And the client wanted to use some local materials. It's a historic building built back in the 1920s, solid stone walls. We were fortunate in that there was a monkeypod that got cut down just about 5 miles from here. So we were able to use the wood from that tree to build a number of things. We built a bar, a large dining table for 12, a bunch of smaller tables. And today what I'm delivering are 2 large outdoor coffee tables. One of the challenges is sun. So where these are at, they are going to be getting quite a bit of sun and rain, and wood, the finish will start to gray after about a year in these conditions. So partly I always try to prepare the expectations of the client, let them know that this is something that will take occasional maintenance. So this is a large dining table for 12 that we built. It's a massive monkeypod slab, and for a table this size, the base really needs to have visual weight. So we use these massive 3.5-inch thick legs. And then the other thing that we did with the design on this project is it's an older building and there's a lot of different materials. There's brick, there's stone, there's new stuff, there's old stuff. So as a designer, one of the things I was trying to keep in mind is to edit and to kind of bring some harmony to all of the pieces that I'm bringing. So with this dining table and these 2 smaller outdoor tables, essentially the base, I have just shrunk the proportions to fit the tops, but there's like a cohesive element in that all the bases are designed the same way. We've also built this bar here and used a really tough finish. For this, actually on this whole project, we use a ceramic coating, which is a new product for us. So far, so good. So one of the great things that we get to do when we build custom furniture for a specific site is we can pay attention to all the details. For instance, here there's like L seating. So as we make this table, we ease the front so that it's curved, people aren't bumping their shins. And then here also, we can shape it so it's easy to get into and out of. And each piece of wood tells a story. With this one, here is where at some point in the past, branch broke, snapped off, and then the tree grew around it. So this one is telling a story about resilience. We've helped several clients with restaurant renovations and interiors, and to a large extent, these projects are an investment in a relationship with the client and with the community. It's also a great sort of laboratory for us because it's a public space, so we get to come back over the years and see how things are holding up, see if there's any failures, any things we could do better. And so part of it is also an investment in our continuing education and trying to make the highest quality furniture. If you visit the beautiful island of Oahu, you should come to the windward side, visit the Crouching Lion for some Ono grinds. And if you're interested in furniture or architectural woodwork for your projects, please visit us at our sawmill design studio, and please subscribe to the channel.